everyone, this is Christina, aka Cape Breton Princess, and where we're at today is we took the route through Neils Harbor and through like Dingwall and stuff, and this is actually on the side of the road here, and we saw the different colors of the water, and I've never seen anything that looks quite like this, so I had to stop and take a few photos of it and take a video of it because it's really breathtaking, and you can see the mountains right in the background there. Yeah, it's definitely like one of the prettiest things I've ever seen in the winter up there. See the mountains? And I'm going to include some other like coastal views of a little bit of ice and a little bit of ice in Shetty Camp as well. Hope you like the videos. Share and follow if you enjoy them, and thanks for watching. So here we have some ice packed into the shore, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of it.